feels like I've been waiting forever for it. I had a really long week at work, and sometimes it's just like that, but I am hoping to just forget about it and enjoy this weekend. I have some really fun plans in place for this weekend. I'm going on a walk now with my mum and auntie. I don't know where I put my phone, but I think in about half an hour. I've just had some coffee and did my journaling, so I think now I'm gonna have a quick breakfast and do some yoga, and then we'll go for the walk. But tonight I have a girls' night with 2 new friends that I've made recently and that I've gotten close with in the past few months, so I'm really excited for my first little girls' night with them. I think it's going to be really fun. Just got back home. It is actually almost exactly 12. It was a really nice walk. We did 6 kilometers, or just under. It was like 5.8 kilometers, and we stopped at a really cute little what do you even call it, like on the side of the road they have like little tiny cafes. I don't know, but it was really cute. We got a little coffee there and then finished the walk and came home. Now I'm gonna go have a shower and then I'm gonna get ready because I don't need to leave till like, I'd like to say 3:30, 4 o'clock, but I have no idea what I want to wear. I have some ideas, but then I never, like when I execute them, they never work out how I imagine in my head. So I need to try a few things out, so I'm happy with the outfits. Going to the movie anymore. We're gonna go to the park and we're gonna hang out and just drink our bottles at the park. It's staring right at me. Hello. Yeah, Liv. Why am I zipped up? Oh my god, guys, you were so zoomed in. I think I need to fix my camera because I'm looking in the viewfinder and I changed some settings to make it so that you could like blur the background a bit, but now it's just making everything super bright. I don't know what that was, but it just looks super bright. I am so exhausted, like it's literally almost 5 p.m. and I just made a coffee, which by the way, it's really good. Very hot though. But I woke up, today's Sunday, I woke up at like 12 p.m. because I had a big night last night, and my first instinct is to get upset with myself and like think that I'm being lazy and get frustrated because I like, you know, I feel unwell, but that frustrates me, and then I feel like I have to do all these things and that I'm being lazy or unproductive if I don't do them. And I feel like a lot of us do that. I feel like we have such high expectations for ourselves to always be so productive. Even for a Sunday, like I'm like, Sunday's my rest day, but I need to wash my bed sheets. I need to clean my work bottle. I need to get everything ready for work. I need to, you know, do all these things. I need to meal prep. Like I tell myself that I have to. And like, if I keep doing that, I end up procrastinating it anyway. I don't know. I might not be making any sense, but I just think we push ourselves too much. And so I've decided to come outside and just have a coffee and get some fresh air because I was stressing myself out for no reason. And all of that stuff is stuff that, yes, needs to be done, but it doesn't have to be done today, you know? Like, I always feel like I put a time limit on things and I don't know why. On a happier note, I am editing the vlog that is coming out tomorrow on Monday, which I'm really excited for the vlog to come out. I'm just a little disappointed with my music choice, but it's too late to fix it now because in my editing process, I'm up to like adding the text and the, like, what would you call it? Like effects, I suppose, the text and effects and stuff. But I do it on a separate app to where I add the music. Once I exported it, it deleted the old footage, like that didn't have the music on it. Anyway, I'm still really excited for this video to come out, but next time I will do better music choices.